Hey friends, I'm George and this is episode 2 of 2 Ingredient Tuesday, and this week we're going to make a fast and delicious 2 ingredient soup. Sometimes you just want a simple, healthy soup. I know I want one when it's chilly or I start to feel a cold coming on, so I keep these 2 ingredients in the refrigerator at all times. If you've watched my other videos, you know that I love this organic chicken stock. If you're a vegan, try the vegetable base. If you have gluten allergies, no worries. Buy organic bone broth and keep it in your pantry. Both will last a very long time in the refrigerator. I keep these vermicelli noodles in my refrigerator as well. If you go through them often, they can stay in the pantry. Links to some of these ingredients are in the description below. Can you boil water? You're halfway there. Check out my episode on my series, Chef, What's the Best Way to Boil Water? You're going to be surprised at how much there is to know. Many people have different tolerances for salt, so go by taste. I'm going to leave the proportions up to you, but I usually use 2 cups of water for around a tablespoon of chicken base. You should use less and then continue to add the base to your boiling water until it tastes the way you prefer. These gluten-free vermicelli rice noodles will grow as they cook, but not as much as wheat pasta, about 1.5 times the size. Maybe you're in the mood for a thick soup or not, so start by adding about 3/4 of what you would like the final hardiness of your soup to be. But even though it's 2 Ingredient Tuesday, you can go that extra mile and take this soup to another level. Stir in some beaten eggs and now it's an egg drop noodle soup. If you're carb conscious, leave out the noodles, stir in some mixed organic vegetables. Squeeze in some lemon for a little added dimension, and if you're Greek or just love Mediterranean cuisine, check out this video I made on how to make awarehousechef soup, or kick it up a notch with a few drops of your favorite chili oil. I got this awesome recipe from Young Man's Cooking channel. A link to it is in the description. There's plenty more simple recipes where that came from, so ring that notification bell and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to feature your favorite dish. Cheers.